Alright, this is my '05 Dodge Magnum. When I was turning the key, everything came on, all the accessories and everything worked, but once I turned the ignition, there wasn't a single sound and the car would not start. But if I kept on turning the key over and over and over and kept on trying it, it would start up no problemo. I thought it was my ignition switch, which is right here. It goes on that. Come to find out, once I was taking it apart, this was the issue right here. Let me try to zoom in. See how it's broken? Supposed to be that high. It's way down there. It's broke. This is the actuator pin. So you gotta disassemble your whole whatever it's called, I forget. Pull it out there, brings it from the back, unclip a few things, unscrew a few things, pull this pin out of here, pops out once you turn the key halfway, comes out. So yeah, I'm getting mine at O'Reilly's for about $43, and should have it tomorrow by 10 a.m. But if you guys are wondering what the hell is wrong with your Dodge Magnum or Charger or any Dodge, you turn the key and nothing happens with your starter, it may not be your starter. It may not be your starter relay. It may not be your key alarm system, whatever everyone talks about. This may be your problem right here. This is a common problem. So do your research before you go and buy a new starter, or a new battery, or whatever else. Alright, you guys. If you got any questions, let me know.